And welcome back. Second innings now, Jamaica went down by 112 runs to Barbados in the final of the Cricket West Indies Rising Stars on a 1950-over championship at the Liberta Sports Club in Antigua today. The centre-back Barbados Under-19s first piled up a challenging 320 for 9 off their 50 overs. And they were led by Justin Parris, who cracked an even century off 98 balls with 23 fours and a 6. Parris also shared in a 108-run fifth-wicket stand with Kemar Dixon, who made 48. Kelani Clarke also made 49 and R'Jai Gittens 37. Alixandre Elliott took 4 for 40 and Jahdae Moore 3 for 58 for the young Jamaicans. In reply, Jamaica's Under-19s were bowled out for 204 in 43.5 overs. Demario Hall top scored with 47, while captain R'Jai Nelson made 36. The two put up most resistance for the young Jamaicans with a 58-run fifth-wicket partnership. Tyson Gordon, Jr. also chipped in with 28, while Henry made 22. Player of the match, Parris returned to grab 5 for 35 and Asher Branford 3 for 19 for the young Bajans, who retained their title. Jamaica's captain Nelson reflected on their performance, including the decision to bat first in the contest.
We thought that the pitch had the maestro to kind of get us to bring Barbados under some early pressure, and from there we could take it from there. But unfortunately, once again, didn't go our way.
Where exactly do you think it went wrong in that first innings? Because they really got away towards the end, scoring 122 in the last 10.
Yeah, the last power play. They play what you see. Don't create anything. Just play your shots when it's there to play. Play without pressure, without just free-minded cricket.